This next one takes in a different direction. I heard you laughing when I was watching this clip.
Yeah. Over the weekend, it was like a big deal.
The Josh fight. Mm-hmm. Did you? So you looked into this?
Yes, it was trending on Twitter over the weekend.
Okay.
And it was funny. It's a funny.
No, it is absolutely funny and bizarre and interesting. It is a fight, not a real fight, by the way. This is a play fight.
But I'm sure someone will spin it to be
No,
negative.
it wasn't. I watched the clip. It wasn't. It actually started paper, rock, scissors is what the original one was.
Yeah.
What it is, it's called a Josh fight because it's anybody with the name Josh. It actually started, the guy found someone with his exact name, first and last.
Yes.
Josh, I can't remember what his last name was now.
Starts with the S.
Anyway, so this guy finds someone else on social media, Josh Swain. Josh
That's him.
Swain. There we go. He's wearing a shirt that says Josh Swain. He found another Josh Swain. He did paper, rock, scissors with him.
Yeah.
Winner gets to keep the name.
Yep.
Because there can only be one Josh Swain. But then this blows up to the point of everybody by the name of Josh agreeing to partake.
There can only be one.
But I don't know if anyone's being forced to change their name. They put a good cause on it with the donations to the food bank as well. And in the end, some little kid by the name of Josh became the ultimate Josh. And Joshes from all over the United States showed up to the Josh fight in Lincoln, Nebraska. And that's all it was. It was a wholesome Josh fest.
Yeah. People were wearing costumes. Spider-Man Josh. Jedi Josh.
It's crazy, man.
Lord of the Rings.
It's crazy. Yeah. Look at that.
It's a fun time.
See, that is an example of all of these people giving each other the benefit of the doubt. They don't take it too far. They get hit. They fall down. The kid ends up winning.
Yeah.
He gets the Josh trophy. Now, I don't know the whole story. Obviously, maybe there's somebody upset in there. But on the surface, it looks like it went down.
Yeah.
It went down just fine. Anyway, they did it outside, so they got vaccines over there and whatever.
Shout out Josh's.
Shout out to anybody by the name of Josh.
Yeah.